So here it is. Basically it's just two 10-foot 2x4s in the ground. You got a chain, and you got a stake down there. You can lean them like this, hang a 100-pound bag, it's not gonna have any problems. Right now I got it with a line to the fence, carpet. Put chain right here, feed it through, stick a screw in right at the top to keep it from back feeding. Lean the two of them down, drill a hole at the top, drilled a hole both sides right here, and just put this in between it so the legs don't spread apart. You can kind of put it at an angle and drive it down to the ground a little bit, and it'll stay put just fine. Then just run a chain back right here. I ended up just taking a bolt and a carabiner, put that through here, hammered this into the ground, sticking that way, and then it kind of bent back, and it's been holding pretty good since then. Probably used this about 20 times, and it holds a 100-pound bag pretty easy. Only issue is that it wears up the grass right here. So it's pretty quick, pretty cheap. All you need is 2 boards and a chain, get you a stake.